Today is the 8th of December 2020. We are 17 days left till Christmas.
Today we are going to make Tonkotsu Ramen.
Thai Japanese mayo for professional use. We need some Japanese soy sauce.
We got some white sesame and ginger.
Keeping the bones. Going to pressure cook it.
Today is my cooking day. I'm excited to make ramen.
Look at that. It will quickly put this into the pressure cooker.
All the collagens will be in here.
TJ doesn't watch my YouTube channel, so it's fine. I kind of feel bad a little bit, but think about it. If you eat out, it's going to be the same thing. You just don't see it. You have to put cold water in it first. All the scum, bad blood comes out. And at this time, don't stir it, because when you stir it, all the dirty stuff will sink back to the bottom.
The most difficult part to tip this out because it's really hot. That's the worst part of making soup. I hate it. Ginger and garlic, sake, marine.
It is Japanese cooking. Since I don't have time to slow cook, I'm gonna try 25 minutes pressure cooking. Pressure cook, not seal this, but
Dry fish flakes,
white sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons, it's a lot. Garlic, ginger, miso. I'm going to use this miso soup. Miso.
sugar,
Soy sauce, salt, sesame oil.
To make the soup milky, we put some milk in it.
In the meanwhile, in the middle of my cooking, I'm going to get my brows done by TJ Tuma. Good luck, pork. TJ is doing my eyebrow and I'm scared. Not a very good start of the day. Lemon cream went into my eyes and my pot belly is in 250-degree heat.
Do you need to check it? You okay? What's wrong?
Nothing, it hurt.
Okay, I need to make a shape now, and this is very important.
Alright, let me check on my pork. Alright, let the pain start.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh. Is it it?
Come chill with the constellation. Just you asked me what my real name was and killed the conversation. Sometimes I gotta stop.
Okay guys, let's go back to the pot belly. Right. Moment of truth. It's so juicy. Whoa. Taking some of this out. And the soup. That's our soup. Right, heat it up. Today we're going to try this noodle. Water's boiling. Let's go.